Now get some colour. Some colour?
Yes.
Yeah, get some colour.
Yes.
And then paint. Now straighten paint on the board. Paint on the board. No, on the board. Paint.
Can you?
Paint. That's the way. Put some paint on the board. Now on the board. That's the way. Let me see it. Chris, can you come and help me? I'm making a movie.
Help you?
Yeah. Help him.
Whoa.
Put your head in a little bit. Sit beside him. Yeah. Don't look at the camera. Pretend it's not there. Now hold up the picture. Let Mama see the picture.
It's finished?
Let me see. I'm going to come in on it.
Hey, I'm glad. No, go like this.
Now, cheese.
Cheese. Did you click?